Terra is a blend that we created using Brazil as the base, mixed with 2 barley coffees. So Brazil is the most commonly used coffee. It's the #1 producer in the world. So we've used Brazil as that beautiful base, bringing out all those beautiful chocolate notes and the nutty flavors that you can get from Brazil coffees, with some acidity from the barley washed, and the beautiful sweetness and all the fruits coming from the barley natural. You get a really nice, rounded, nutty, chocolatey, fruity, little bit of acidity on there as well. Terra, which is Expat Roasters' latest house blend, is available now, online or in stores.